Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to send an ACH payment from Bank of America in 2025. If you've ever needed to transfer money electronically, ACH payments are a secure and efficient way to do it. Whether you're paying a friend, settling a bill, or handling business transactions, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have your Bank of America online banking set up. If you haven't already, download the Bank of America app or head to their website and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, security is key, so enable two-factor authentication if you haven't. It's a game changer for protecting your funds. Now, navigate to the Transfers or Payments section. You'll see options for different types of transfers. Look for ACH transfer or external transfer. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to add a recipient if it's your first time. Enter the recipient's bank details carefully, like their routing number and account number. Double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Next, specify the amount you want to send and add a memo or description if needed. It helps with tracking. Bank of America might ask you to verify the transfer through a code sent to your phone or email, so keep an eye on that. Once verified, review the details one last time and hit Confirm. Your ACH payment is on its way. Keep in mind that ACH transfers can take 1 to 3 business days to process, so plan ahead. Also, there might be fees depending on your account type, so check that in advance. That's it. You've just sent an ACH payment like a pro. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.